Hey guys, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today I'm going to explain you how to add equipment and devices for the customer. So let's start. Just click on Service Manager module, then select Equipment or Devices submodule. Just go on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export the devices data through this export to CSV and export to Excel options. To create new devices, just click on Add Devices, then search for customer. The customer list will be available. If you don't get this customer list, then you can check out my previous video how to add customers and add it. Just select the customer. To add name, just click on search option. You will get the multiple devices added over here. If you don't get this list, then please check out my previous video how to add devices from the setting and just add it. Then select devices. Select the site. If other site is there, then add it. Other details were filled and select checklist group. If you don't get this checklist group options list, then please check out my previous video how to add checklist group. Then select it. Just set active as yes and just save it. Your device will be added successfully and assigned to the customer which you have selected. If you want to view and edit it, you can use these actions to perform that, and you can quick search your devices through this filter and you can refresh that search result through this refresh button. That's it. If you get any query to add equipment or devices, please connect us at contact us at @sunmosoftware.com. Thank you. See you soon in the next video.